Hello friends, in previous lecture we see that the molecular orbital energy level diagram for nitrogen molecule. Today's lecture we will discuss about the molecular orbital energy level diagram for O2 molecule. O2 molecule is formed by combination of two oxygen atoms. Oxygen having the electron configuration oxygen 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. This is the electron configuration of oxygen atom. Okay, 1s orbital having the low energy, so it does not take part for formation of molecular orbital. It remains as non-bonding molecular orbital. Only the 2s orbital and 2p orbital having the suitable energy to take part for combination and to form the molecular orbital. Here in 2s orbital there is presence of 2 electron and 2p orbital there is presence of 4 electron. The 2s and 2p orbital of oxygen atom are well separated, so they do not interact with each other. There are total 2s, 2s orbital and 6 2p orbital. That means total 8 atomic orbital are take part for combination to form the 8th molecular orbital. 2s orbital having the 2 electron and 2p orbital having the 4 electron. Okay, and there is presence of the 2 oxygen atom. Therefore, there are 4 electron in 2s orbital, and in 2p orbital there is presence of 4 electron. 1, 2, 3, and then remaining one is goes to the first orbital. 4. Same way, second oxygen atom 1, 2, 3 and then fourth electron. 2s orbital there is presence of total 4 electron. Firstly electron goes to the bonding molecular orbital because it having the less energy. First 2 electron goes to the sigma 2s orbital. Remaining 2 electron are goes to the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Then see the 2p orbital. In 2p orbital there is presence of total 8 electron. Firstly electron goes to the bonding molecular orbital. Here we see that the molecular orbital diagram is somewhat different as compared to the previous molecular orbital diagram. Here is presence of pi 2py, pi 2pz orbital and antibonding pi orbital. This is due to the 2s and 2p orbital, they are well separated, they cannot interact with each other. Therefore, the difference is seen molecular orbital diagram for oxygen atom. Okay, the electron firstly goes to the bonding molecular orbital because it having the less energy. Then pi 2py, pi 2pz, there are presence of total 8 electron. Then anti-bonding pi 2py and pi 2pz molecular orbital. This is molecular orbital diagram for oxygen atom. For this diagram, firstly, how to write the electron configuration. The electron configuration for oxygen molecule. Electron configuration. In this case, firstly, we have to write the K, letter K, and this letter K is repeated because this K letter is due to the 1s orbital and there is presence of 2 1s orbital, therefore K is repeated. Then sigma 2s 2, sigma star 2s 2, then sigma 2px 2, then pi 2py, there is presence of 2 electron, and pi 2pz, there is also presence of 2 electron. Then pi anti-bonding molecular orbital, pi star 2py, there is presence of 1 electron, and pi star 2pz, there is presence of 1 electron. This is electron configuration of oxygen molecule. In this case, there is presence of unpaired electron in pi antibonding molecular orbital. Therefore, this molecule is paramagnetic in nature. From this diagram, next we have to calculate the bond order for oxygen molecule. Then bond order. We know the formula for calculation of bond order is that 1 by 2 number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital. How many electrons are present in bonding molecular orbital? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons are present in bonding molecular orbital and there is presence of total 4 electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. 2, 3, 4. It means 4 electrons are present in anti-bonding molecular orbital. Therefore, the bond order for oxygen molecule is 2. This is the molecular orbital energy level diagram for oxygen molecule. Thank you.